Hi, welcome back. Or welcome if you're new. I think I've just time traveled to ancient Greece.
Following the light that sets me free.
Today, I want to show you what life is actually like here. So, first impression? It's busy. Really busy. For some reason, I expected ancient Greece to be quiet. I imagined a few people walking around marble temples and discussing philosophy. No, this place is full of people. The streets are crowded, merchants are shouting, workers are carrying supplies, animals are everywhere. And the smell? Let's just say ancient Greece did not invent air fresheners. Okay, so I've made it into the marketplace. This is where almost everything happens. People buy food here, sell goods here, meet friends here, and apparently argue here. A lot. I've already seen 3 separate arguments this morning. One about money, one about politics, and one about a goat. I have no idea what the goat did. Honestly, I'm afraid to ask. One thing that surprised me is how social everything feels. Nobody is alone. Everywhere I look, people are talking, debating, or sharing stories. There are groups gathered on street corners discussing ideas like it's the most important thing in the world. And to them, I guess it is. Okay, let's talk about food. Lunch today is bread, olives, cheese, and figs. Simple. No giant menu, no delivery apps, no snacks every 5 minutes. You eat what is available, and honestly, it's actually pretty good. The olives here are incredible. I think I've eaten more olives today than in the rest of my life combined. Another thing I've noticed is how much of life happens outdoors. People don't spend all day inside. Business happens outside. Learning happens outside. Conversations happen outside. Even entertainment happens outside. The entire city feels alive. Now, I always imagined ancient Greece as white marble everywhere, but that's not really true. Many buildings and statues were originally painted with bright colors. If you could see this place in its prime, it would have looked far more colorful than most people imagine. Okay, I just climbed up a hill overlooking the city. And wow, the view is incredible. From up here, you can see thousands of people living their daily lives. It's easy to forget that this was one of the most important places in the ancient world. So many ideas that shaped history started here. And standing here, you can kind of understand why. People are constantly exchanging ideas, questioning things, discussing things, trying to understand the world around them. It's actually fascinating to watch. Although I will say one thing, walking everywhere is exhausting. No cars, no trains, no bikes, just your feet. I've been here one day and I already miss modern transportation a lot. As the sun starts setting, the city begins to slow down. The marketplace becomes quieter. Families head home, the streets become calmer, and for the first time today, there's a sense of peace. Honestly, ancient Greece is not what I expected. It's louder, busier, more crowded, and much more alive. It's not a city of statues, it's a city of people. Real people. Working, learning, arguing, laughing, and living their lives. And after spending a day here, I think that's the most interesting part of all. Anyway, that's it for today. I'm going to find somewhere to sleep. Hopefully somewhere more comfortable than last night. And tomorrow, we'll see what else ancient Greece has to offer. Good night.